Let me talk to you for a minute. You keep hearing about AI, how it's changing everything, how it's the future, how people are making money online. But deep down, you keep thinking, I'll start later. I don't have time. I don't even know where to begin. Let me tell you something real. The people who win in this new era aren't the ones with the best tools. They're the ones who stop waiting and start using what's already in front of them. AI isn't coming. It's here. And while most people are watching it happen, a few smart ones are using it to completely rewrite their story. You see, the game has flipped. Before, you needed money, degrees, or connections to make something happen. Now, all you need is curiosity, consistency, and an internet connection. People are building entire income streams from a laptop in their bedrooms with AI doing half the work. And the crazy part? Most of these people aren't even tech experts. They're regular people, just like you, who decided to learn while doing, not before it. Let me give you some perspective. There's a guy who used ChatGPT and Canva to build a faceless motivational page on Instagram. He posted one reel every day using AI voiceovers and captions. Within 90 days, that page hit 100,000 followers. Now he's getting paid by sponsors, brands, and even YouTube Shorts bonuses. There's a woman who used Leonardo AI to design book covers, not for herself, but for others. She started selling on Fiverr, charging $40 per cover. Today, she's booked out months in advance, all because she stopped waiting and learned while she earned. And you? You're sitting there wondering if it's too late. It's not too late. You're just too comfortable. Let's get real for a second. Every single day, you scroll through videos of people winning, and you tell yourself, they got lucky. They started earlier. They have better tools. Number. They just started. They stopped overthinking, stopped doubting, and started pressing buttons. They use the same free tools you have: ChatGPT, CapCut, Midjourney, Canva, Notion, ElevenLabs, and they built something out of it. They didn't wait to be ready. They decided to get ready while moving. Now let me drop some practical game for you. If you want to use AI to change your life, here's where you start. 1. Start small, start real. Pick one skill: writing, editing, design, or social media. Then find one AI tool that can make that faster. You don't need to master 20 apps, just one. 2. Turn knowledge into money. You already know things people will pay for. Use ChatGPT to structure it, summarize it, and package it. Courses, ebooks, templates, or service offers. It all starts from what's already in your head. 3. Show up daily. You don't need to go viral. You just need to be consistent. The internet rewards persistence. Post value, test ideas, get feedback, repeat. 4. Stop chasing perfection. Your first product, post, or video won't be perfect. But if you don't post it, no one will ever see it anyway. The people you look up to, they started rough too. Here's the thing. AI isn't a miracle. It's a multiplier. It won't fix laziness. It won't replace work. But it will multiply the efforts of anyone who actually takes action. If you're broke and do nothing, AI won't save you. If you're hungry, consistent, and curious, AI will make sure you never stay broke again. You keep saying you're waiting for the right time. But the truth is, the right time was yesterday. The second best time? Right now. There's someone right now, halfway across the world, learning the same tools you're ignoring. And in 6 months, they'll be miles ahead of you. Not because they're better, but because they stopped waiting and started doing. So here's your reminder. No one's coming to save you. Not your boss, not your parents, not your government. Your success is your responsibility. If AI is the tool that can level the playing field, then why are you still watching from the sidelines? Don't let another year pass you by saying, "Next time." You've said that enough. It's time to make something real. Pick one idea, open one app, take one step. Because the future isn't waiting. AI isn't slowing down. And the world doesn't reward the watchers, it rewards the doers. So if this hit you, don't just feel inspired. Act inspired. Comment below with what you're starting this week. Like this video if you're done making excuses. Share it with that one friend who's still thinking about it. And most importantly, hit subscribe, because I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to make sure you never stay broke again. Now go build something. I'll be waiting for your success story.